Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Taylor and I'm so happy to have you here. I'm finally back on YouTube and it feels so good to be back. I've missed y'all so much. Today's video is going to be a relaxed review of the Tineco iFloor 3 Breeze. It's a cordless vacuum and floor washer, and spoiler alert, this thing is a total game changer. It makes cleaning the floors a breeze, and if you have kids or pets, you need this. Also, this video is not sponsored. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe button, and turn the little notification bell on so you never miss out on a new video. Now let's get at it and get it done. While I finished getting everything unboxed, I figured I would tell y'all about this model, and once again, this video is not sponsored. The model that I have is from Target, and it is the iFloor 3 Breeze, and it comes with one brush head and one bottle of solution and the foam pre-filters. They have this exact same model on Amazon, but the one on Amazon is called the Tineco iFloor 3 Breeze Complete, and it is a little bit more expensive because it comes with two brush heads and two bottles of solution. It is the same machine though, the only difference is that it just comes with extras. So if that is something that you're interested in, then I would go with the Amazon version and not the Target one. I'm really excited to get this unboxed because it gets a lot of great reviews, and I like that you can vacuum and mop it once, so it saves a lot of time. Now that I have everything unboxed, I'm just going to go ahead and plug it up and let it charge. This is also the cleaning solution that comes in the box, and also one of the blue foam pre-filters. So this was filmed on separate days, but now it is time to test this Tineco out and see how it works. So to start, you need one capful of cleaning solution and then fill it up the rest of the way with water to the max line. To use this, all you have to do is put the water tank with solution back into the Tineco and turn it on, and there's also a max water button as well. Right off the bat, one thing that I absolutely love about this cleaning tool is that it is so easy to maneuver and it has an excellent range of motion. it this far into the video, I really appreciate you watching and spending time with me. If you enjoy this video, make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe button, and also stay until the end because it really helps my channel grow. Thank y'all again for your support. I absolutely love this Tineco. It is amazing. It is picking up so much dirt, and it's actually cleaning the floors at the same time, eliminating the need to first vacuum, then mop. I can definitely tell you that this cleaning tool is a staple now, and it makes cleaning the floors like 10 times more fun and so much easier. I am a mama to one son and I have 3 inside dogs, so it's nice to have something convenient and quick to clean with. Now this of course has not replaced my trusty favorite cedar mop with a little bit of powdered Tide and old-fashioned vacuuming for when I really want to get in there and deep clean, but for everyday messes, maintenance cleaning, and when I don't feel like vacuuming and mopping, this is a total game changer and I can't recommend it enough. Also, stay tuned until the end to see how much dirt this thing picked up and cleaned. It is so satisfying. And if y'all are interested, I can make a separate video on how to clean and maintain your Tineco. It's super easy and it also features a self-clean function. Just let me know in the comments if you'd like to see that. Alrighty y'all, that's going to be it for today's video. Thank y'all for spending time with me. I really appreciate and love y'all. I hope this video motivates you to get at it and get it done. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and also leave a comment so I can say hello. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye y'all!